Hey, I want to start this video with a question. Have you ever thought about making money on Instagram? Perhaps you think that making money on Instagram is difficult. Did you think you needed a big $1 million auditions? I hasten to please, it is not so. You can make money from a business on Instagram with subscribers even less than. You can make money from a business on Instagram with subscribers even less than 10,000. Go! This video is about the top 5 ways to make money on Instagram. 5 place advertising sales. If you are a blogger with an audition of 10,000 subscribers, you can start selling ads on your account. This is one of the most common ways to monetize your Instagram profile. The bottom line is making money and advertising comes to you, for example, online wallet stores, and ask to advertise his products. You tell him the price for one post, for example, 2,000 rubles. He pays for advertising, you publish the post. The most subscribers you have, the most expensive one ad post is. Simple math. Let's say you have 50,000 subscribers, the price of one advertising post is 5,000 rubles. To earn 50,000 rubles, you need to sell 10 advertising posts per month. The most interesting thing about this method is that they order your auditions, and accordingly, it is involvement the more you can charge the amount for advertising posts. Marketers are willing to pay an average of 1 cent per subscribers if your audition is below 10,000 subscribers. And that's cool. It is important that majority of audition is engaged. There are indications of like, repost, saves, reach, comments. After all, if your audition is fake and cheated, it makes no sense for advertisers to buy ads from you. In addition, recently, Instagram has been blocking blogs that have cheated their audition with dishonest labor. I think recruiting audition and selling ads is a great way to make money from what you love, and there is a sense of motivation to continue recruiting an audition and developing your blog on Instagram. Place 4. Promotion of Instagram accounts for money. The next most popular way to make money on Instagram is professional account promotion. You can monetize your SMM skill. If you are a completely newbie, then you will hardly be able to start making money by promoting other people's profiles. You need to master the skills of an Instagram marketer. What skills do you need? Setting up and maintaining targeted advertising, writing and doing posts, promotion through hashtags, competent account design, promotion through mass following and mass liking. A good specialist earns from 50,000 rubles a month. This is a very in-demand profession. Large companies are constantly looking for Instagram marketers. You can work remotely, look for clients on freelance exchanges and on the Instagram social network itself. For example, maintaining and promoting one account can cost 20,000 rubles per month. One specialist can maintain 5-6 accounts every month. He spends 7-9 hours a day on this. Isn't it cool to make money on 10 blogs just by promoting them? You can make a fortune on this. 3rd place. Selling your goods and services. Instagram is a great marketplace for selling your products and services. You can open your online store, launch an information product and full-fledged online training, sell the services of a photographer, a manicurist or franchise business. If you bought a franchise, for example a pizzeria, then create an Instagram account for your institution and start attracting customers from your city. Earnings depend on your niche. Online store owners can earn over 100,000 rubles a month. Bloggers who sell their information products can earn from 200,000 rubles, depending on the size of the auditions. Businessmen can attract dozens of customers per day. For example, 20 visitors to a pizzeria or beauty salon, which are launched under a franchise. 2nd place. Instagram administrator. Another in-demand profession in the digital market is the administrator of Instagram accounts. This is a specialist who is gender is filling, maintaining and promotion a profile. The main duties of an administrator: development of a content plan, creation of content, photos, articles, stories, conducting concerts, setting up targeted advertising, communicating with bloggers, processing negative comments. An administrator's earnings on Instagram depend on your skills. For example, an experienced specialist who sets up ads, works with content, runs contests can earn 80,000 rubles a month. This method is very cool because now everyone wants to have their own blog on social networks, which brings passive income. But many people don't know how to blog correctly, how to sell ads and promote their products. Therefore, many potential bloggers want to have an administrator. The cool thing is that sometimes you can stumble upon multi-million dollars accounts that want an administrator to join their team because they have other goals and plans and they don't have enough time. Such accounts are ready to pay a lot of money because the income from their blog is just crazy. Would you like to become an administrator of some a million blog on Instagram? Write your answer in the comment. First place, cooperation with brands. This way of making money is good because you just need to find a brand with which you want to cooperate and regularly exhibit their products, feedback about it. It is not difficult to find it that themselves write to you in direct or other social networks. Why is it so cool? Because you have found a partner and you don't need to look for anything else. Your passive income from your blog is guaranteed, plus no one forbids you from partnering with other brands. Just imagine, you have partnerships with 10 major brands, and all you have to do is sometimes upload a photo review with their tag on your blog. This way of earning is relevant for bloggers. With an audition of more than 50,000 subscribers, you can become an ambassador for a well-known brand, for example Nike. Unlike one-time advertising, this is not a joint collaboration. The blogger ambassador should periodically publish advertising posts of the partner brand, for example 3 or 4 times a month. It depends on the terms of the contract, the number of posts per month, participation in special events, shooting in commercial. For example, let's take the famous football player Cristiano Ronaldo. He is a clear brand ambassador. Do you like the video? Then write in the comments, do you want another video about making money on Instagram? See you later. Bye!